It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta. Today we're looking at the 2012 Chevrolet Equinox LT. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Equinox. The driver's door has power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, the child lock button, a Pioneer sound system, and door storage. The power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, a cloth interior with red stitching. Next I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons and the right side has our audio buttons. This is our digital dash. Here we have our infotainment center. This is a touch screen that displays the outside temperature, the time, and it also doubles as our backup camera. Below that we've got the hard buttons for the media center, power locks, heated front seats, CD player, some power plug-ins, eco mode, and traction control. The front of the Equinox has fog lights, 17-inch aluminum wheels, a 2.4-liter engine, side mirrors are heated, rear tinted windows, black roof rails up top. Making our way toward the back, the rear window wiper, and the power lift gate. We're going to hold that button down on the key fob to open up the lift gate. The trunk is quite spacious. We've got some cargo hooks, a power plug-in, and a storage compartment down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows and door storage. The backs of both front seats have seat pockets. The back of the center console has a power plug-in. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders. And to fold the rear seats down, simply pull the lever located on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2012 Chevrolet Equinox LT today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.